In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a forum to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to create a lively community around your blog or facilitate discussions for a project or cause, adding a forum can be an incredible way to bring people together. So let's get started and make your Wix site more interactive and engaging. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix site setup. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the setup area, which is where you'll find all the core elements needed to design and customize your site. It's kind of like the central hub for everything Wix related. Once you're in the setup area, the next step is clicking on Design Site. Now, this may seem pretty straightforward, but it's important as this area is the gateway to all your site's creative aspects. Here you can modify the look and feel of your site, ensuring it aligns with your brand or personal aesthetic. After clicking on Design Site, you're going to be presented with a range of options, but for the purposes of adding a forum, your focus should be on enhancing functionality and interaction. Now, the key action comes into play, clicking on Add Apps. It's like stepping into a treasure trove of additional features and functionalities that can turn your basic website into a dynamic online platform. You've got tons of options, but what you're looking for is the Wix Forum feature, specifically known as the Wix Groups app. It's a tool designed to integrate seamlessly with your site and foster community interaction. In the search bar, type in Wix Group. This step is essentially zeroing in on the exact tool that will fulfill your need for a forum. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. Wix makes their app store fairly intuitive and user-friendly, so you should find it without too much trouble. Once you've found the Wix Group app, simply click on it. This app is the magic key to creating your forum. It's packed with features tailored for group discussions, member interactions, and more, giving your visitors a place to connect and converse. After selecting the app, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click on that, and Wix will essentially do the heavy lifting for you, integrating the Forum app into your website's existing framework. This process is relatively quick and, in most cases, straightforward. You may need to tweak some settings to ensure it perfectly meets your needs, but the basic setup is complete with that one click. There you have it. Your forum is now added to your Wix website. It's a straightforward process, yet it opens up a world of possibilities for engagement and community building on your site. Thank you for watching, and happy forum managing.